Microsoft Sentinel Automation Tag Incidents presented by Christian Ziaja. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the powerful world of Microsoft Sentinel. We will explore how to automate incident tagging, making your security operations more efficient and effective. Stay tuned to learn how you can streamline your workflows and enhance your threat detection capabilities with Sentinel's automation features. Let's get started. We will use straightforward setup for today's demonstration. There will be two resource groups named according to the convention RG region environment name, named RG-SE-PRD-APP01 and RG-SE-TST-APP02 respectively. We will use Sentinel Analytics rule that detects new role assignments. The query will parse resource group name using regular expression to extract the third octet of the string, which defines environment. The extracted string will be used in automation rules to tag the incident. Let us check the detection rule on which automation will work. I will explain the query later in the video. For now, focus on custom details defined in this rule, which will be used in Sentinel automation. Query used in scheduled detection rule is also provided as gist with a link in the description. Other rule configuration options are not important for this demonstration, so we will just look at them quickly. Once we are done reviewing rule configuration, we can close the blade. In Visual Studio Code, you can see Custo query to detect role assignments. The query is quite easy. We select appropriate events by filtering using where clause by category value, resource provider value, and operation name value. There is only one more complicated part in line 6. We add a calculated column using extend clause and assign the extract function result as its value. Extract function allows us to parse a string using regular expression and return the value of specified capture group. To simplify matters, I will demonstrate how extract function works on two examples in Custo query language. I hope that now it is clear what we want to achieve. Now let us finally move to defining automation rules. On Automation Blade, click Create New Automation Rule. Provide a name for the rule. Next, we select the provider. In this case, it will be Microsoft Sentinel, and specify that this automation rule will only be applied to specific detection rule. Obviously, this is just an example in real life, adjust according to your needs. As additional condition, we select Custom Details key, which in our case is environment, and specify the value for this key, which is PRD. So, it translates to a conditional statement if environment contains string value of PRD, execute automation rule. Then we specify the action, which is add tag as tag value. We specify production. We do the same for second automation rule that will add tag test with just a small exception that for custom detail value we will use TST and for tag value we will use test. It is time to evaluate our new automation rules. We open Resource Group List in Azure Portal. Now let us assign permissions to the first resource group using IAM pane. To start, we click Add Role Assignment. I am using Reader role in the demo, but it does not matter. It will work the same with any role. Now add a member to the role. For simplicity, we will use Permanent Role Assignment. Once completed, we perform exactly same operation on the second resource group. Finally, we must wait a bit, and new incidents will show up in Incidents pane in Microsoft Sentinel. As you can see, 2 new incidents were created. Let us quickly verify if incident tagging worked correctly. On the first incident, we can observe production tag. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can display that it is correct because the action was performed on resource group RG-SE-PRD-APP01. Let us move to the send incident. Incident is tagged with string test because the operation was performed on resource group RG-SE-TST-APP02. That concludes our tutorial. If you are interested in doing this demo yourself, I provided a Terraform file that will create all required resources. Link is in the description.